name is Levi Koshiol. I'm a project manager for Headwaters Construction. Headwaters Construction is a site work and utilities contractor. We've been operating since 2011 in the greater Atlanta area. We do earthwork, we do clearing, grading, demolition. So we've been running Hyundai equipment for the past 4 years now. We started out with a roller to begin with. This 330 was our first excavator, and we've added 2 additional excavators to our line since then. They work well when they're out. We've got them out in the field. Maintenance has not been an issue. Getting in contact with the mechanics when we need it and things like that. We haven't had any trouble at all. So definitely a good, solid piece of equipment. When we first got the Hyundai HX330, one of the first things the operators said was that the cab environment was very comfortable. A very nice machine to be operating in. The Hyundai dealer in Norcross, Georgia, Border Equipment, we've used them in the past for our maintenance, a lot of our maintenance needs. They've been easy to get a hold of and quick to respond when we needed them. So, on this job site, we've been, the majority of what we've done has been earthwork. We've also done utility installation, so we installed fire, water lines, as well as sewer line and stormwater installations. Right now, the excavator you see behind me is working on a foundation wall excavation, so we're excavating in order for the wall contractors to get down in there. This machine size is a great all-around for at least what we do. Definitely fast enough to keep up with the trucks when we're hauling out dirt, putting in larger storm systems, underground storm systems or storm lines, as well as moving around large amounts of concrete and asphalt and things like that. I'm a project manager primarily, but anytime I can get a chance to get on a piece of equipment, that's always the fun part. Definitely enjoy getting on these Hyundai machines. They're smooth operating, and they go through the work quickly, definitely.